everyone, welcome back to Cybrosis. Today we are tackling a common challenge in project management, ensuring everyone on the team stays informed and engaged. In Odoo 17, the solution is simple, adding collaborators to your project. So imagine working on a complex project in Odoo, but only the assigned team members have access to updates. This can lead to information silos, duplicated efforts, and missed deadlines. So here we are introducing the collaboration champion, which is adding collaborators to the project. Thankfully, Odoo 17 empowers you to conquer these challenges with the followers feature in the project module. Let's see how it works in a real-world scenario. So you're running a marketing campaign project in Odoo, and here's how to leverage followers for better collaboration. First of all, you have to navigate to your project module. So here's the project. I'm opening that. And once you open the project, you have these settings over here. Open the settings. And inside the settings, you can see the collaborators. Okay, the collaborators tab. Okay, so just click on that. And there you have the option to invite the right people. Okay, so just by clicking on the invite button, you get a window where they'll be asking you to add the people whom you want to invite. So here's where the magic happens. So you have to select the users you want to add as the collaborators. Okay, so consider including the team members from other department or even management. Okay, so you can add whoever you want to invite. So I'm adding Mark Demo. Okay, so you can add how many people. There is no count. Whoever you want, you can add. So I'll add Abigail, and then you can add a note. Okay, so I'm adding please join, and then I'm sending the invitation. Okay, so here you can see 2 collaborators have been added. Okay, so this is how you basically add it. Now, what are the benefits of adding collaborators? It will actually improve your communication. So these followers or the collaborators receive notification about project updates, task creations, and discussions, keeping everyone informed. And then you have an enhanced collaboration, which means team members from different departments can stay in the loop, fostering collaborations and a sense of shared ownership. Then you will have this increased visibility where management gains more insights into project progress without overwhelming assigned team members. So by effectively using the followers feature in Odoo 17, you can create a more transparent and collaborative project environment. Remember, keeping everyone informed is key to a successful project, and Odoo helps you to achieve it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it's clear for you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials. Thank you.